Every bag of flour starts here, on carefully managed wheat farms using modern agricultural science.
Uniformity is remarkable this season. The moisture sensors are holding steady.
Agreed. This batch should be perfect for the mill.
Harvested wheat grains are immediately cleaned to remove debris before transport and storage.
Protected transport preserves wheat grain quality before entering industrial flour processing facilities.
Shipment from Oak Haven is running 15 minutes ahead of schedule.
Good. Let's reroute them to the new silo bay to avoid congestion.
Harvested wheat now travels toward factories where grains transform into fine, milled flour. Every truckload of wheat is carefully received and logged before entering the flour production system.
Dust control systems maintain clean conditions essential for high-quality wheat and flour processing.
Silo storage organizes wheat by quality to support consistent flour production. Stored wheat now awaits conditioning before transforming into fine milled flour.
Wheat washing removes surface contaminants, preparing clean grain for controlled flour milling operations.
Resting silos allow wheat moisture to balance naturally before flour milling begins. Automated handling systems move wheat efficiently through preparation stages toward flour production.
Moisture levels are spiking on line 3.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
Looks good, back within spec.
Conditioned wheat now enters milling systems where kernels become fine flour.
Roller mills begin breaking wheat kernels, starting the transformation from grain into flour.
Multi-stage grinding refines wheat gradual to achieve consistent flour fineness. Continuous milling produces fine wheat flour while separating unwanted outer grain layers.
Milled wheat now transitions towards sieving, completing the core flour transformation process.
Hand sifters carefully separate wheat flour particles to achieve precise texture and baking performance. Flour grading systems classify wheat flour precisely for different baking and industrial needs. Ongoing testing confirms refined wheat flour meets strict factory quality standards.
Refined wheat flour now advances toward blending and comprehensive quality control stages.
Automated blending combines wheat flour grades to create consistent, reliable flour for global markets.
Continuous sampling verifies wheat flour meets precise factory quality and safety benchmarks. Controlled environments safeguard wheat flour purity from blending through final packaging.
Everything aligns with the international safety protocols.
Yes, the data confirms compliance. Go ahead and stamp it.
Certified wheat flour now advances toward packaging, storage, and global distribution stages.
Automated systems fill wheat flour bags accurately, preserving quality from mill to marketplace.
Robotic palletizing secures wheat flour bags for efficient storage and transportation. Smart warehouse organization ensures wheat flour moves efficiently through storage cycles. Stored wheat flour stands ready for global distribution, feeding industries and communities worldwide. Wheat flour distribution begins as warehouse systems coordinate orders for domestic and international markets. delivered wheat flour becomes the foundation for breads, pastries, and everyday foods.
The label confirms the origin. Good, let's get this one.
From wheat fields to kitchens, flour completes its journey through global supply chains.